Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select visual functions such as damage indicator, visual effects, hitmaker and teammate information on the Free Fire application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app and start playing a game. Then click on the settings option that you can find at the top in the left side of the screen next to the map. Then tap on the controls section, scroll down to the visual section down below, and here you can turn on the damage indicator. You can choose the classic or the new one. The visual effects, you have the classic, dark and no blood option. In the hitmaker and the teammate info functions, you can turn on the classic or the new options as well. So that's how you can customize the visual options and functions. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.